So in order to get WhatsApp in dark mode, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is exit WhatsApp and you want to go to your system settings. Once you're in the settings application, you want to scroll down and go ahead and click on display and brightness. Now WhatsApp will only go into dark mode if iOS is also running in dark mode, as there is no option directly within the app. So you want to go ahead and set iOS to dark mode, and then when you go back to the WhatsApp application, you notice it's also gone to dark mode as well. Now a quick way of setting it from dark mode to light mode is by going to your control panel, and then you want to force touch on the brightness, and then go ahead and select dark mode or light mode in the bottom left hand corner, and you'll notice it will change back to the light mode. And that is all you need to do to get dark mode on WhatsApp. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can also support this channel by donating a coffee with the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.